Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can model this New York home on Blender app. So to model this house and to add texture to this house, let's open the Blender app. Open the building tool add-on and click on create floor plan to create a floor. After this I'm going to adjust its scales, press S and Y and scale up along Y axis and also scale up along X axis. After this go to edit mode, then click on add floor to add a floor. After adding this floor, next I'm going to increase its height. Increase the height of the floor like this. After this, press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Select this loop cut and place it here. Again press Ctrl R to add another loop cut and place the loop cut towards the other side. Next select this side loop cut and place it here. Add another loop cut and place it here. Then select the face selector, select this face, and then I'm going to add a floor. Click on add floor to add a floor. Again select this face and add another floor. Decrease the height of the floor. Then select this face and add roof on it. Increase the thickness of roof and also increase its outside. After this, select the faces of this slab, then select this slab, press E and extrude them like this. Then select the slab faces of this floor. Then press Alt E and extrude faces along normals like this and the extrude function. After this, select this face and click on add door to add a door. Then increase the height of the door and adjust the position of the door like this. Then select this face and click on add window to add a window here. And increase the height of the window and decrease its width. Move it horizontally towards the door and increase its height again. Select this face and add a door here. Select this face and add a window. Then select this face and add a window here. After this I'm going to adjust the scales of this window, decrease its height and increase its width, and move it horizontally and place it at the center. Select this face and add window, select this face and add window. After adding these windows, select this face and add a window here. Increase the height of the window. Then select this face and add a window here. Select this face and again add the window and increase the height and width of the window and move it horizontally and place it at the center of wall. Select this face and click on add window to add a window. Then select this face and add a window again. After adding all these windows, next I'm going to select all and press Ctrl B and bevel. And the bevel function, go to object mode so you can see the view of the house. Again go to edit mode. After this I'm going to select all the door and window faces and then delete the faces of door and windows. Then go to object mode to see the views. After this I'm going to make pillar for the house. Go to add menu and add a cube. Then I'm going to adjust the scales of the cube to make a pillar. After making this pillar, add a bevel modifier, increase the segments to 2, then select it and apply it and move the pillar towards its position. Shift D to duplicate and move it like this. Again duplicate it and move it along Y axis. Once again duplicate and place it at the corner. After this I will keep on duplicating the pillar and I will place it at the corners of all the floors. After making all the pillars, you can see the view of the house. After this I'm going to add balcony and fence to the house. Go to file, then go to Archipack and click on fence to add a fence. Select the fence which you want to choose for the house. Select this fence and move the fence to a proper location and then move it to its position, and I will duplicate it. Press shift to duplicate and move it along Y axis and place it here. Again select the fence and duplicate it, move it along Y axis, and then I will rotate it and move the fence. After adjusting this fence, next I will duplicate it and move it towards the other position. Press shift to duplicate, G, Y and move it along Y axis and place it here. Next duplicate the fence and place it here and increase its scales to adjust the fence on this roof. Press shift to duplicate it and place it right here and then adjust the scales of this fence. After this, go to edit mode, then select this face and click on add balcony to add a balcony here. After adding this balcony, increase its size and increase its width to 7. So balcony scales for this floor is ready. After this, I'm going to add balcony to this face. Select this face and click on add balcony to add a balcony here. Balcony on this floor is also added. Then I will select all these bottom faces and I will extrude them. Select all these faces and press E and extrude them like this. Then I'm going to make stairs. For this I will add some lookouts. Press Ctrl R to add a lookout and place it here. Again add a lookout here. Then select the face selector, select this face and these faces. Press E and extrude them. After this again add a lookout and again add a lookout here. Then select the face selector, select these two faces and extrude them. So stairs for the house are ready. After this I'm going to add windows and door to the house. Go to object mode and I will import the window and door models which I have downloaded from the Sketchfab. Import the door and then scale down it and then move the door towards its position. SZ and scale down along Z axis, and I will also scale down it along the X axis, and again adjust the position of door. Again scale up along X axis. After adjusting this door, duplicate it and move it in the Z axis. So both the doors for the house are ready. After this I'm going to make window for the house. Go to file and import the window file which we have downloaded from Sketchfab. Import this window and move it towards its position, and then I will adjust its scales, scale down along Z axis, move it upward and also scale down along X axis. So this window is ready. Next adjust its position. After making this window, next I will keep on duplicating it and then I will place the window towards their position. So after making all the doors and windows, you can see the view of the house. After all this, next I'm going to add material to it. For this, open the Blender kit, select all, select the material, and in the material category I will select wood. After this I will select all the pillars and then select all the fences. After selecting all the pillars and fences, you can see the view. Next I'm going to apply oak wood spine material. Click on it to apply it, close the Blender kit and see the shader view. So you can see material is applied to the house. In this way you can model a New York home on Blender app and you can add material to it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section, and if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.